In a quaint village known for its artistic spirit, lived a talented painter named Isabella. Her studio was a haven of creativity, where brushes danced and colors whispered. One day, Isabella discovered a blank canvas that seemed to shimmer with a hint of magic. It was as if the canvas held a secret waiting to be unveiled. Isabella began to share a story. Long ago, it was believed that certain paintings held the essence of their subjects, allowing them to come to life within their frames. Isabella and her friends playfully mimicked painting movements, imagining the stories behind the living paintings. Laughter and creativity filled the studio. Isabella's heart sank as she noticed one of her paintings was losing its vibrancy. She felt a deep connection with her art and a responsibility to restore its magic. Determined to restore the painting's magic, Isabella stepped into the canvas. The world around her transformed into a realm of colors and wonder. Within the canvas realm, Isabella encountered living paintings, each depicting a story. The essence of subjects seemed to flow through every stroke. Guided by her connection with art, Isabella collected colorful essence from the realm. Each hue represented a different emotion, a piece of the living painting's essence. With the essence in hand, Isabella returned to the studio. She used it to restore the fading painting, and colors came to life with newfound vibrancy. Isabella shared her journey with fellow artists, sparking a pact to infuse their creations with passion. Together, they vowed to keep the magic of art alive.